We love special editions here at Restore a Muscle Car. It's what we started with in 2005, building these cars that nobody thought they were going to be worth anything someday. Here they are, worth a lot of money. They're good investments. This is a 400 4-speed, 46,000 original mile car. It's got the W72 motor, air conditioning, T-tops, black deluxe cloth interior, loaded with great options. We put all new, brand new paint. Base coat, clear coat, Spiessacker paint on this car, refinished the wheels, new decals, new tires, completely detailed top to bottom, exhaust was done, everything is ready to go. AC blows cold, heater works, everything. So check it out online, all the videos, details, pictures, restoreamusclecar.com, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.